That's your payment for helping me. Welcome back to another vlog. It's Tuesday morning. I'm on my way to a Pilates class. So I ended up getting a membership over the weekend. So this is gonna be my first official class with my membership. I had the choice between a 4-class pack a month, an 8-class pack a month, or unlimited, but I went with the 8-class pack. That'll be perfect for me because that means I'll get 2 classes a week, and that's all I need right now. I'm still a tiny bit sore from the last class, and that was last Saturday. The last thing that's sore is just my calves, but I'm super excited to get this workout in. I asked if the classes rolled over, and they said no. It's kind of like use it or lose it type of thing, so I really have to hold myself accountable with these classes because Pilates is not cheap. So I'm doing the damn thing, okay? I'm about to get in the best shape of my life and I am so excited. They have Christmas trees out already. I just passed a Christmas tree farm. How cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so ready for Christmas. I still need to get my sister her Secret Santa gift though. So I need to get on that this week. I hope the studio doesn't mind me constantly recording myself while I'm in there. They didn't mind last time and everyone there is super nice, so I'm sure it'll be fine. I just got here, but let me show you these cute Pilates socks that I got off of Amazon just for the time being because I needed some cute Pilates socks. The ones that I got at the studio last week, they're just not that cute. I mean, they're cute, but the color was not pink. It was like a peachy color. They didn't have any pink socks. So forget how much this pack of 4 was. I feel like it was pretty cheap. The grippies are little hearts and it says Pilates is my happy hour. How adorable is that? So I'm wearing a pair right now and this is officially my new Pilates bag, so I'm just gonna keep the rest in there too. I'm officially in my Pilates princess era and I love it. I'm back home now. I just got ready because I need to make some content with this red sweater vest. I put on a red lip to match. The Pilates class was really good, but the instructor said that I wasn't allowed to record in there. So I hope I didn't get the last instructor in trouble because I was like, well, I was able to do it the other day when I was here and she asked for the instructor's name and I was like, oops, I mean, I was just trying to let her know like I did it before, so maybe it would be okay if I did it again, but she was saying that it's their policy. So I don't know who I need to talk to about letting me record because I want to document my Pilates journey and that's one of the main reasons why I got this membership. So I booked a class with the lady who let me film for this Friday. I hope she lets me film again, and if she's the only one who lets me film, then I'm just gonna have to only go to her classes because I really like her. She's super nice. And I really enjoy her classes. Today's class was a little bit slower. It was a flow, so I'm doing another fit on Friday and I'm so excited for it. Today's class was really good. I left feeling like I got a good workout in, but I also felt like it could have been better. So I think I'm just gonna have to start doing a fit class every week, maybe a fit and something slower. I don't know if 2 fits in 1 week would be too much, but I really enjoy those classes. I love leaving a class feeling like I got my butt kicked. I love this lace long sleeve that I have underneath. I also ordered one in black. I got it off of TikTok Shop. It just looks so good, styled under almost anything. I saw some girls wearing it under like a basic graphic tee and it still looks really good. I have my white bow claw clip in my hair. I don't know what side you could see it better on, but I already need to wash my hair again. Like I literally washed it like 3 days ago and my scalp is just acting up. So every time my scalp acts up, I feel like I need to wash my hair again. So I just did like a little protective hairstyle. I need to go to TJ Maxx tomorrow and shoot some branded content. I was thinking about doing that today, but tomorrow will be better. I edited and posted both of those videos. Now the next thing on my to-do list is to replace this shelf with some bow hooks that I bought off of Amazon. They're so freaking cute. Let me show you what they look like. I'll have these linked on my storefront if you guys are interested in getting some for yourself. They had a 2-pack and a 3-pack, but I got the 3-pack. They have like a rustic look to them. At first I wasn't sure if I liked it, but then when I saw a picture of a review, I thought it was so freaking cute. I don't have any hooks to hang my robe on, so I've been needing these for the longest time. I usually just throw my robe on my sink, which is super messy, so this is just gonna help me stay organized. The only thing about taking this off is I need to get some paint to match the wall because we kind of messed the wall up a little bit when we were putting the shelf on the wall. We weren't sure if we wanted it on the left or the middle. Well, I say we, but it was me. My husband just helped me, so let's take that off. Since I have 3 of these, I'm thinking either all in a line, but in my head I was thinking it should be low, high, low, right? I feel like one straight line is kind of boring. So what do we think? Let me turn it this way. So I'm thinking one right here, and one right here, right? This is gonna look so freaking cute. Okay, I gotta take this off first. Woo, got the second one. This is what I'm working with right now. I'm about to fill them with some dry decks, and like I said, I need to get some paint to cover it because you can't tell from far away. Well, maybe you can, but it just bothers me. So I need to put in a work order to see if I can get some paint so I can cover that. And guess what, you guys? I met a friend on Bumble BFF over the weekend. It's just so crazy because I've been looking for new friends for a while. Like, I've just been wanting new friends because I just kind of feel lonely. So I downloaded Bumble BFF, and this one girl and I started messaging for a couple of days, and then we met up to get coffee and we just hit it off, and I'm just super excited to hang out with her again. I was a little nervous because I wasn't sure if we were gonna hit it off, you know, like not everyone you meet on Bumble BFF is going to be a match, but we just vibed the whole time over coffee because I've been trying to put myself out there and meet friends organically, but it just hasn't been working. I have a story time that I'll tell you, but I'll save that for another day because it's a pretty long one. It's a crazy funny story, I'll say that. I'm not very good with this dry decks, but I did the best I could. Now the white spots are bothering me. I need that paint ASAP. This one will be in the middle. All right. Where the middle is, please. Oh, Hercules, Hercules. Yay, we got the first one up. Yay, it looks so good. And it matches my towels, perfect. Oh, I love it. Thanks, baby. That's your payment for helping me. All over it? Oh, I see. Close. There you go. Plate full of paint.
Earwax.
Ew!
She's got earwax.
Don't embarrass me in front of my friends.
Should I be concerned about this obsession with bows? Getting a little crazy. Getting tattoos and shit.
You're barely thinking about that now.
Dang, I'm just noticing your pajamas too. What the fuck is going on?
Oh, it's too late for you.
It's getting a little extreme, babe. I'm starting to get worried.
It's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, this is awesome. Can you hold this, please?
It's not fun anymore.
I could tell. The fun ended for you.
Let's go watch the movie,
We did it. It looks so freaking good. Thanks to my hubby. I couldn't have done this without his help. Happy Wednesday. It's about 7 p.m. I spent most of the day filming my TJ Maxx collab. I hit the jackpot, but I don't want to spoil it, so I'm not going to show you what I got for the collab, but I will show you a little haul of the things that I got outside of the collab. So the first thing I got is this jar. It's like this beautiful glass jar. Look how gorgeous. I got this specifically to keep my mouth tape in because I put my mouth tape in a plastic one and I just thought I needed like a cuter one, and this is just like everything I was hoping for and more. I've had my eye out for like a cute jar like this. It's super fragile, so I have to be careful with it, but how freaking cute, right? This was only, okay, well this was $20. This was a little expensive, but it is made out of glass and she is expensive, so. The next thing I got are these ornaments. I've been on the hunt for smaller white ornaments to give me some contrast within my Christmas tree. And I thought I got 2 packs of these, but when I was looking through my bag, I only saw 1. So I'm gonna have to go back and get another one because I don't think 6 is enough to balance everything out. The next thing I got is this hand woven tree collar. This is so nice. I have been loving, is it rattan or rattan? I think it's rattan. I've been loving the rattan theme throughout our apartment, like anything wood really. So I think this is gonna look so nice because I have a white one under the tree right now that I got last year, but I've been seeing these around and I love how it looks styled under a tree. And I know it'll look great in our apartment. So I'm gonna swap the white one out for this. This was $30. The next thing I got is this pink colander. How perfect is this? This is just so much nicer than the one I already have. The one I currently have is red and it's just not the vibe. It's made out of plastic, whereas this one's metal. So I love this. And then the last thing I got is this pink cookie sheet. This is like the perfect shade of pink, so I couldn't pass it up. This was only $7.99. I got something in the mail from TikTok Shop, and then I also got my Hollister order that I placed a couple of days ago. They were having a 30% off early bird sale for anyone who has the app. So I got some cute activewear for my Pilates classes. Okay, so this is a pink jacket that has been going viral on TikTok. Oh my gosh. I saw they had it in this pretty pink color, so I ordered it right away. It's a free sample, but it has like a skirt silhouette, so it's super girly and dainty. I'm really excited to wear this and style it. Oh my gosh, because they had another pink, like a dark pink, and if you didn't know, dark pink, like hot pink, is just not my favorite, but this is like more my style. I love a light baby pink. That's like my favorite shade of pink. And this is almost that. This is so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, and it's so flattering, like I said, because it has like the skirt bottom where it kind of like flares out like that. It's like you're wearing a jacket, but it looks like you're wearing a dress or a skirt. That's so cute. And then the fur detailing. Let's open my Hollister order. So the activewear is by Gilly Hicks, which I've never heard of. So I hope it's good. I've never tried their stuff on before either. I've had my eye on this scarf. Again, it's the perfect shade of pink. As far as the activewear goes, I got like 2 tops and a pair of bottoms. And I got size medium. I wasn't sure if I should size up, but medium looks like it's gonna fit. So I love this. It has a built-in bra. I've had my eye on this one for a while too because I love the pink and white detailing. It's kind of giving like aloe dupe, right? This one doesn't have a built-in bra, which is like one of the main reasons why I bought it. So I don't know if I'm gonna return this one or not. And then I got the pants to go with it. I think these are flare leggings, but so far, like they're super soft. Let's put my new tree skirt on and add these ornaments to my tree. These are so freaking nice. The detailing on them, they have little pearls on them with glitter. How cute is that? I don't think it came with hooks, so I don't know if I should add hooks or just put them on without it. I just put that one on the tree without a hook, and I think it looks fine, right? Two more. One more. The more I add, I feel like the more it's looking like it's missing some in certain spots. So I feel like I need to balance this out better. We got our wooden TV console in over the weekend, so my husband and I put it together. It took us like a good 2 hours. But look how cute this book tree is. I saw it on Instagram, so I had to do one myself. And I want to get rid of this. I want to style it with an actual garland. It'll look so much better. It has so much potential, but this is all I had for now from like a couple of years ago. So it'll do. But like I said, I want to stay with the same wooden rattan vibe, so I'm gonna put this on the tree right now. This was $30 and this was a cheaper one. They had nicer, more expensive ones, but our tree's just not that big, so I thought this would do. I didn't take the price tag off yet because I want to make sure I like it. What do I think? Does it look good? I mean, it's a little more transparent than I thought it was gonna be, like a little bit too see-through. You know, I can see the tree stand through it, so I don't know if I like it. I think I should return it and get the nicer one, right? Because it looks okay, but I feel like there's potential. Like it shouldn't be see-through like that, right? I just noticed that this is the packaging and look, you cannot see through it. So yeah, that's why I was expecting this to look different. But I don't think it looks bad. I'm just like, this is what I wanted and this is what I got. So my husband said I got catfished and that's just false advertising. So I'm a little upset, but it's growing on me. Happy Friday. I'm on my way to my Pilates fit class, which means it's gonna be an intense one, but I am ready for it. I'm ready to be sore all over again. The last class was okay, but it didn't leave me sore like the fit classes do, so I'm really looking forward to this class, especially after eating all that food yesterday. We ended up going over to our friend's house. They were super sweet and they hosted us. I ate all the good Thanksgiving food, apple pie with ice cream, pumpkin pie with Cool Whip, like everything. I'm not gonna lie, I woke up with an upset stomach today. Don't get me wrong, I love Thanksgiving. I guess it's an unpopular opinion that I have. It's just like, I'm not super crazy about Thanksgiving food because like I said, it usually upsets my stomach. It's just super heavy. It's just a little bit too much for me. Like I love it, you know, because it's once a year, but I don't go crazy for it. That's my hot take.
Exhale 3, 9, 8, 9. Get your shoulders. Now get your arms back and reverse the circle.
I'm back home now. My camera ended up dying, but that class was so freaking good. I already have a favorite instructor and it was the one that I had today. Her name's Iduma. She's so good. Plus she lets me record. She's just so freaking nice. And like I said, the main reason I got this Pilates membership was so I could create content and bring you along with me on my journey to see this transformation. Because I got a 3-month membership, I'm mainly documenting the content on my phone for Reels, TikToks, and Shorts. So not only am I vlogging in there, but I'm also recording with my phone. But I'm only recording myself and making sure not to get anyone else in my content. So I'm being very mindful and very demure about it. My legs are jello right now. We did a bunch of squats in that class and I've been neglecting my legs, so I'm pretty sore already. Those are the classes that I love. I'm like, I need to be instantly sore and sore the next day. Like, those are my favorite classes, and those fit classes just do it to me every single time. So I love it. I never thought I would be in my Pilates princess era like this, but I'm so happy that I am because I'm only 3 days into my membership and I'm just so excited to see the long-term results because I'm already noticing that my body is starting to tighten up. Like we do a lot of ab work, just a mixture of everything, but this is just stuff that I was not doing on a regular basis at all. Like usually I would just walk and go to the gym sometimes with my husband, but this holds me accountable because like I said with the classes, it's either use it or lose it. So I have all of my classes booked for the month, and since I get 8, that means I'm doing 2 classes a week, which is perfect. I made myself a coffee because I haven't had any caffeine today. This cup is so freaking adorable, right? I hope everyone had a great Thanksgiving. I'm gonna end the vlog here and start a new one next week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you enjoyed this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next week.